Hey folks, it's Scott with Grey Ghost Gardening, and yes, I'm still here. I've just been really busy with school and life and all those kinds of things that I haven't had as much time to make the video content that I would like to keep making. But it's a beautiful day here today in November. This is the last day of my Thanksgiving break from school. Go back to work tomorrow bright and early. And of course, this is the first day of just really beautiful sunshine. We've had a lot of rain. I'm not complaining. We have desperately needed the rain. But it's been rain, and for us, fairly cool weather. Nothing terribly cold, but cool. But today it's finally sunshiny and nice out, and it's time to do a little work. And so what I wanted to show you today, I got a new toy. Actually, I've had it for a while. It's been sitting in my garage. I got it for my birthday back in the summer, and finally have cause to use it. And so let me get the camera turned around here real quick, and I'll show you what I've got. So for my birthday, I had asked for a leaf mulcher. I didn't particularly care what kind. I just wanted one because we've got a bunch of big, deciduous trees, not so much that are on our piece of property or on our little lot here in the neighborhood, but they're on the green belts that are all around our property. But all the leaves love to collect in our yard. And in the past, I can't say that I've done much with them other than just kind of shredded them up or mowed them. But I wanted to start collecting them and making better use of them in my garden to help with production of mulch, and then just to help dress and amend my soil. So anyways, I was given by my wife and two daughters, and I guess my puppy dog also, Cosmo the Wonder Pup, a WORX Leaf Mulcher. And I know there's several different varieties, and they've all got their strengths and liabilities, whatever. But I just finally broke this out and got it going, and I want to go give you a quick demonstration. So just to give you an idea, you can see, here behind me, all these broadleaf, trees that we've got, and so they really do seem to collect a lot of leaves in the on the lawn, and they really like to kind of bottle up here in this corner where I've got some of my buckets stored. Especially when we get a good north wind blowing, they'll all collect, which is convenient that they all collect right there, but still, there is no shortage of leaves, and so it's just starting. But I had enough to finally rake some up and to break out the WORX Leaf Mulcher and give it a whirl. So let's go take a look at it. So here it is. You see I've already been running it some. It's was really easy to assemble. Came boxed. I mean, it's really simple construction. It's essentially just a giant weed eater, but the leaf material gets caught in here and really does, you can see this, I mean, it really gets shredded up very fine. Most of it immediately falls down. Right now I've got a bag under. I thought about putting a big bucket under there, but I thought that might be a little too clunky to move around. So far the bag seems to have been working just fine, because like I said, I'm just gonna immediately go deposit this. Somebody's getting comfortable. They're enjoying the nice weather too. But he won't like it when I turn it on because it's loud. Anyways, I'm going to just immediately go deposit this in the garden, and then in my mulch piles. But I've already done a couple of little small piles, you know, comparable to this, and it really takes them down to a fine chop, mince. I don't know what you want to call it, dust. so I'm thinking that they're going to break down really nicely. So it is electric powered, so I do have to run an extension cord, and it's really simple operation. You know, here's your power. You pull it out and it'll crank on. I'm not going to turn it on yet because like I said, it is really loud. For disassembly, there's 4 of these little clamps that hold this piece. This also comes off this top bold part up here. Again, it's all for storage purposes if you were so inclined to want to take it apart and store it back in its original box or something like that. The main chassis piece, you know, here is one solid piece, but then you can see the legs just snap in. Really simple and straightforward. And then, like I said, it's just pieces of, you know, essentially what you would use for a weed eater, and it gives you a whole big batch of replacement parts there for the weed eater. I don't know if you're supposed to be putting sticks in this or not. Probably not. I've been putting some twigs, nothing big. Anything that's big I've thrown out. So I'm going to run this now and show you how it is. Like I said, it is loud, and I guess if there were one negative to it, it's really loud, but it's going to scare Cosmo here. Okay, bud, watch out. It's going to be loud. Watch out. So So you can see, pretty simple operation. It's kind of hard to dump the leaves in there with just one hand. So I'll finish getting this knocked out. So far, I don't have any complaints. Really simple to operate, really simple to put together. And it seems to be breaking them down into really good, easily compostable pieces. I don't have an affiliate link. I don't have any association with WORX, but just from simplicity, ease of use, and I seem to recall it wasn't terribly expensive. You know, and could you do this with a lawnmower? Yeah, probably, I suppose. I don't know that it shreds them up quite as well. Maybe it does, if you've got a good mulching mower. But anyways, I just thought I would share this. WORX, I think, is fairly well known. I think we got this at Home Depot, but I know you can find it on Amazon, at Lowe's, at any of the big box stores likely are going to have this. So just a quick video. Hope everybody is having the nice weather that we're having. Also been watching a lot of World Cup games, and so that's a big deal at our house. And have enjoyed having my daughters home from college for Thanksgiving. That's been nice. And but back to work tomorrow. Oh, it never ends. All right, happy gardening, y'all.